IIM Indore Special Interest Group is organizing a workshop for the development strategies for Malwa region on April 25, 2015. The main aim of the workshop is to contribute to the development of the Malwa region so that it becomes a growth hub for the state as well as the nation. Professor Siddharth Rastogi, faculty at IIM Indore, is coordinator for the event. Let's find out more about the workshop with him. So tell us more about the Special Interest Group and its main purpose.
This special interest group was initiated last year, and this is one of the 5 such groups which focus on particular topics. And our purpose is to basically explore the region, Malwa region, particularly because we are situated in that area. It comprises 11 districts of MP and some parts of Gujarat also, but we focus on the MP part of Malwa region. The idea is to explore the region, the growth possibilities, the developmental issues, health, environment, sanitation, or industrial clusters, etc. The idea is to be more plugged into the region where we are operating.
Okay. So what is the main purpose of this workshop?
The purpose of this workshop is that we have been trying to work on our own for the past year, about 10-12 faculty of IIM Indore plus an equal number of PhD students, FPM students.
Okay.
So we have made some small progress, but we felt that this is about time when we need to engage people from the region, the local colleges, the university, the Indore Management Association, IIT, and the government bureaucracy also. So this is kind of a consultation workshop where some experts from outside, Professor Arnab Mukherjee and Dr. Asmita Kabra, respectively from IIM Bangalore and Ambedkar University Delhi, who are the regional growth experts, and then the regional commissioner, Mr. Sanjay Dubey, IAS, would be addressing the consultation workshop. The purpose is that we will get some exposure to the region from the experts of regional development of the region itself, and perhaps with a collaborative effort we will be able to make a more concrete impact towards whatever we are trying to achieve.
So what would be the workshop's most highlighting features?
I think probably the keynote address. The keynote address is given by Mr. Sanjay Dubey, IAS officer, Commissioner Indore Circle. He has been a long experience holding, and he has been very kind to the institute also in different roles and help. So he'll be addressing the audience about what exactly are the ground level situations. See, because the other 2 speakers are extremely good and experts of the regional growth issues and dimensions, but their expertise is, the exposure to this Malwa region is limited.
Yes.
They have done some work, but not extremely specialist of this region. Mr. Dubey knows exactly the ground level situation, why something has worked elsewhere but not here. So he can deliver that reality check on whatever we know as a researcher and a practitioner. He can give us the reality check. So I think that is the most important part, where we meet the reality and see whether a change is possible or not. If yes, why? If not, why?
Sir, how will it benefit the participants?
Participants are supposed to be mostly researchers of Indore-based schools from outside, including places like Tata Institute of Social Sciences. We have got expression of interest from there also. So the idea is that, and some industry bodies like Indore Management Association. Plus we are hoping that some people from local industrial clusters like Pithampur, Devas, etc. may join. So the idea is, often the expertise is lacking, the special advisory for industrial clusters is lacking, some regional problems like environmental issues in Mahan. How do we address those? How do we resolve those? What is the growth potential specific to this region? We are hoping that this would be the specific achievement of this workshop.
Okay. Sir, what would be the ideal work or education profile for the applicants for this workshop?
See, it's an open workshop, so a mere registration is sufficient, and a half-day thing only. So I would think that any researchers of sociology, economics, even let's say, developmental issues, business, strategy, because there is a lot of industrial clusters and all. So they would be interested. Plus, perhaps the policy makers, the middle level bureaucrats, uh, some maybe industry middle level, senior level managers of who are based in this area, so they can represent the other side of the story. That if somebody says that we have done this or this ought to be done, they can represent another side of the story. So, mutually we learn more. So ideal profile would include any researchers, industry interested people, those who are based in this region, plus bureaucrats.
Sir, what is the expected outcome of this workshop and what would be the group's future plans?
See, this is first major step that the group is taking, the special interest group has taken.
Okay.
For the past 1 year, we were trying to find our own path. We have made some small progress. This is first major step where we involve and announce to the world that we are trying to do something significant and you are welcome to join us, guide us. Our expectation is that henceforth we will be dealing at a larger level, at a macro level, involving more people. So we will trigger off some collaborative research projects with perhaps local industry and other local colleges, university, DAVV, etc. Plus, most importantly, we will get to work with the government, because we sincerely believe that without engaging government bureaucrats, it is much more difficult to implement any research ideas. We may generate a lot of ideas, but unless we involve government actively, the implementation part is always lacking. And doing merely paper work, research, theoretical research without actually seeing the outcome of that is nearly meaningless. So we are hoping that this will be our first major step towards actually contributing to the development of this region, coming up with concrete policies, proposals, and we are hoping at least a white paper on how to move forward from here.
Thank you so much, sir, for this.
Thank you.